Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Talk true, somebody could have wicked so I'll let them come let them put on a neaty. No sir, talk truth. Who for man that? No, I'm not serious thing when you joke. What I come on the airport, I the man. No, people can't wicked so. No sir, girl, come. You was They say they want swim. No, people could have wicked so what could have cost this? No, so you got a river. $10 US. And what then you tie up somebody pitch that?
What really and truly though, people, we don't really believe in them hobby thing, yeah? Like, looking at it, you see me? Because really and truly, you know, me look on some of these witchcraft things where some people claim to say are witchcraft. It's not really witchcraft, you know. Like when them say them put things in a people's boot and them foot swell up. It's a powder where the powder don't really agree with people's skin. You see me? I say, I don't remember what name must say Eminem how you want name, you see me? Or one time they say them put worm in a people's skin. Normally, you have some worms where they're in the dirt where which is a kind of mad worm, if the egg of that worm go in your foot bottom, even for young pitney, it will lodge into your skin, can eat out your foot and all these things, and your foot can't x-ray for find them worm there. Yeah, that me I tell you, isn't it? But people are going to say obia. When they're not really obia, it's just a parasite in your body. You get me I said to you? Yeah, you have some worm where there's like some deep river maybe or some swamp. Them type of worm there will eat out in your skin. Let me tell you the next thing again. My old time people tell me something about people back in the days because through the education thing never did it. Then tell me say one time when people hear car come, then think I did rolling calf because it's nice that make go chickling, so then think I train. You see me? Then tell me another story where a man go in with him water boot and carry some water boot with him go up on a man farm. Put on the water boot and strap it down with pieces of card on the cow foot and turn the whole of the water boot then back way upon the cow foot. And then he ride the cow come out of the man farm. So when the man get up in the morning, he must go see the water boot go one way in. So him swear say a rolling calf or a dopey take one cow. You see? Yeah, me hear next story then tell me say a man take ice and stone one woman or people house top me that say. And when they wake up in the morning, they see no stone. Right? Remember I said in them days the people don't understand fridge like that, you know. So for the mind not think say, oh ice or anything. No, they not say that. All them say a dopey. You see? So some of the time some of them things are just some little trickery. You see me? Trick what people work. Like all this man who come to Jamaica say my work wizardry and trickcraft. Let me tell you some people. If you look on that video good, it's a white you to come here. If you look on that video they good and look on it good. You see me? Because that include to say witchcraft that are magic. It's trick. The gadgets them when come with all planned already. You see me I say? Me see him have one when he say man saw off the girl finger. If you look on the blade, piece of the blade cut out in a groove. So when it goes up on the girl finger like it a cut. And when you take it off, the blade gets short. So when it a cut, you see the blade come out long and then it gets short. You see me? Yeah. Now, on a real note now, to deny that witchcraft or magic don't exist is as if you don't believe in the Bible, God, or the universe, because as according to how the universe is created, at them little thing there, see. But enough how me I tell you. So I say, I'm not really, maybe next time, you know, if you're interested to hear something like this again, don't make me know. So I say, anyways, just let me know what you think, alright? And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla, and this way you just see at the Dancehall Skilla ENT. On the big up on yourself, yeah, people. That's it.